Ngayon po ay Ash Wednesday at ngayon din ay sinisimulan na natin ang Season of Lent. Magandang pagnilayan yung gospel natin ngayon kung saan highlighted ang almsgiving, prayer, and fasting. Jesus encourages us to do these things not for show or self-glory, but with sincere hearts. Alam niyo, minsan, nakakaligtaan natin ang mga bagay-bagay na ito. Naalala lang natin ito kapag papasok na ang Lent. Pero today, we are reminded na maging totoo uli sa pagtugon sa mga ito. Dahil authenticity in our actions reflects the mercy in our hearts. When we give, let it be from a genuine desire to help others, not to gain recognition. When we pray, let it be a sincere conversation with God, not a performance for others. When we make sacrifices, let them be motivated by love, not by seeking approval. Ang panawagan ni Jesus sa pasimula ng Lent ay maging merciful in our intentions and authentic in our actions. When we give, pray, and sacrifice with sincerity, we honor God and truly live out His teachings. Ikaw, handa ka bang magbigay, magdasal, at mag-sacrifice para makita ng kapwa mo ang mercy ni Lord in you? G ka ba?